me, you are not supposed to bring cars here in non-permitted hours.
Sorry?
Non-permitted hours.
Which I don't know what that is. Non-permitted hours.
Then give me your cars.
Card?
Yes, your company's cars.
That's on the
No, 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 here.
You don't have cards. Take what the number. The number's on the side of the truck.
Oh my God. Hello? Automania. The telephone number 0208-574-1122. What is going on here? You are not supposed to bring cars in non-permitted hours.
Don't ask me, okay?
Sorry?
Don't ask me, okay?
All right.
Okay, do what you do? Let's go.
All right, my friend. Yes, but I don't want cars to here when the hours are not permitted.
I'm working me to pay tax to give you money, okay? To take the social, okay? Go in home, go. Go in home, go.
It's not pay.
Yeah, I'm working to give you the car, pay council to you to give you money, okay?
I don't believe it. Money? What money? What? Who? What money? Who is going to exchange money?
You say, do what you want to do.
Money is changing hands here, illegally. Oh yes, you find it funny that.
I do very funny actually. I can unload
That is
anytime.
racketeering.
I can unload anytime.
That is procuring
I can unload anytime on the
broken down cars at non-permitted hours, which is a rare trade, and you know it's a rare trade.
sign. You see, I can unload anytime.
Yo,
So you can actually push your car.
I heard the engine of your truck. Okay, put the engine off because it disturbs me. I'm a neighbor here.
Let's push the car.
I'm off now.
Let's
Right.
ignore him because this place is not safe to
Keys
leave.
in ignition.
Yeah.
You two guys
Thank
do
you
it.
very much.
No worries. Okay.
How did you find these people? How did you find them? That is the important thing. And I want the logins of the company who is bringing the cars here. How often you have these trucks here? Yeah. You operating from 6:30 in the morning until 8, 9, you close for an hour the night time. Can I ask you how did you find this car? It's your car. Good. It's so much better. You can tell me how did you find this company because they are working illegally.
They're a very good company.
Yes.
They help people.
The AA,
Problem.
the AA is supposed to be good, but they are traffickers of the same thing. How often do you have the AA bringing cars here? Can you tell me? And I'm going, and I'm going to go immediately. How often the AA is bringing cars? They are doing shifts from 6:30 in the morning up to 8 o'clock in the evening, and they used to go to 9 o'clock and 10 o'clock. 19 past 3. Saturday, the 14th of December, 2019.